In our previous videos, we have learned about techniques that help you write better prompt. In this video, we'll learn about a technique that helps you bring in quality in your output. There are two rules when it comes to work with LLM. Number one, writing clear prompts. Number two, checking your output for quality. In this video, we'll learn about a technique that helps you bring in quality in your output. According to this technique, whenever you get output from LLM, feed that output back in LLM with a clear checklist of some criteria and ask LLM to rate the output based on that criteria. The checklist can have different criteria based upon the user's need. The examples of criteria that the checklist can have are authenticity, repetition, assumptions, clarity, examples, anything that you want to add. Let's get the concept in a clearer manner using an example. Let's take a situation where I have a startup. It helps students find best scholarships for them. Now I want to pitch it in front of investors because I need some money. For that purpose, I need LLM to write that pitch for me. Unlock your education with our smart platform that matches students to scholarships they actually qualify for instantly. The pitch sounds good, but let's see if there is any assumption that LLM has made while writing this pitch. So I'll give it a checklist and I'll ask it to rate this pitch based on that checklist. I ask it to evaluate the pitch on scale of 1 to 5 for clarity, specificity, avoiding general buzzwords, assumptions made, and the smarter thing that I'm doing in this prompt is suggest how it could be improved. In addition to ask it to rate the pitch, I am also asking it for the improvements. Now let's see how it rates the pitch and what are its suggestions regarding the improvement. It says the pitch has clarity and scores it 4 and also gives an explanation. For specificity, it says the score is 3, that is neither low nor high. Also gives the explanation why it is scoring it as 3. For the buzzwords, it scores it 2, which is quite low. It uses vague terms like smart platform, instantly, which are common buzzwords. And for the assumptions, it has scored it 3. And the explanation it is giving me, it says that it is assuming that users know what actually qualify for means. It has given me suggestions for improvement as well. And not only this, it has revised the pitch for me. See how smart and efficient that technique was? You got the output, and instead of tweaking the output yourself, you asked ChatGPT to do it for you. This is how revision by criteria saves you time. So next time, whenever you get an output from LLM, just don't accept it as it is. Rather, ask it to revise by criteria so that the output you get is actually a quality output.